Hi everyone, my name's Claire Maxwell at Embodied Learning Systems. We all need help with having boundaries, whether it's in your personal life or your professional life, and embodiment can really help. I've studied many different forms of embodiment. I studied Alexander technique and dance for the first half of my life, and now I pretty much teach the Alexander technique and certain more somaticized practices that use the principles of the Alexander technique. And one of the results that I've gotten from this work is better boundaries, and it's, like I said, a lifelong process. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to share now a 3-step practice that lays the groundwork for deeper work, because to discover what better boundaries are for you, to me, I have to be able to feel my body and respond to that information while I'm in the presence of other people. And it's really good to take a little bit of time and space to actually play with that. So that's what this workshop is going to be. And if you're curious about it, stick around to the end and you'll find information in the description box. Okay, so this is a attention prelude that is called Awareness Wandering. And it's got 3 steps. So you're already doing the first step. You're sitting probably and looking at your computer, and you're kind of focused, your awareness and your attention is focused on me in some way. So just stay with wherever your focus is on the screen, but I'd like you to stand up, move your chair aside, pick up one of your feet and place it down and shift your weight. And just start to softly pad, stepping. You could just do side to side. So you start to move your body in space. You could do little diagonals, forward and back, or side to side. But you're just starting to walk to pace, but you're kind of keeping your focus on the screen in front of you. Now, this might seem like a simple thing, moving while having a focal point, but what's actually happening is all of your different sensory inputs, sound and hearing and sensation and weight, your mind is starting to sort of move from one to the other. So you've got a little bit of a focus, but it's got to loosen because you're moving and you start to feel your moving body. So your awareness has started to wander. Step 2 is to give up the focal point, but keep moving. And of course, there's no reason to move in a way that doesn't feel good. So however it feels to you, just keep a little pacing or moving in space going. That's what's most important, because it requires you to give up your grip on your attention and let it go. And you can let the weight of your hands swing a little bit. Your visual field is moving. And probably your eyes might settle on something a little bit and then move again and settle and move. And you can just give up all of the control. And the 3rd step is you stop. You stop the moving, but not the attention wandering. And just allow your attention to continue to wander as needed. It can go outside your body, it can Feel your body. You can just let it go where it needs to be. And so when we give up controlling our awareness, we get a little bit more receptive, we start to experience our bodies differently. When we start to notice whether we feel at ease where we are, or whether we have a desire to shift or move, whether we want to go closer or not. And we can make some choices about the information that we're getting. And that's what you need to do to exercise boundaries. So I hope that was fun and also a little helpful. And if you're curious about the workshop, it's not happening until July. I can't even talk anymore. But there are 8 spots left. It's a couple of hours long. I can't remember what time it is, but the information is in the description box below. And if you'd like to get in on the creative ground level of discovering this material around building better boundaries, I hope you'll come. Peace and love. Have a wonderful day.